We have made the entry in um, Fin Nifty again because it has expiry. As I told you, we had already made the profit of 1030 rupees. But now the time is remaining only 1 hour. Okay, so the theta decay would be very fast. That's the reason I entered the trade with two lots here. You can see two lots here and the two lots here. Okay, so we will see what's gonna happen. Okay, look, friends, as I told you, I entered the trade again. Okay, and our profit is increasing now. Okay, I just took two lots. You know, actually, I had exited in the morning, making a profit of 1000 rupees. Then I again entered the trade because the setup was too good. Okay, we will see what's gonna happen. Okay, look, friends, profit is increasing. Okay, and now it's 1300 rupees. Okay, look, friends, profit is increasing again. I entered the trade again because I had a good setup and it's an expiry. That's the reason I broke my rule and I entered the trade again. Okay. Look, friends, we were in profit. Our profit reached 1700 rupees, but we did not book the profit so as to trail it, okay, and get the maximum profit. But you see, the trade turned. We had bought this at 10 rupees. Now it reached 45 rupees just within 20-25 minutes. You can see, and this premium had reached 3 rupees. From 3 rupees it came to 50 rupees, just within 25 minutes. So you see, this is the option trading. You cannot trust anybody, you cannot believe. Things goes very fast. You have to keep your eye on the screen. That's it. Okay, if I had not put the stop loss, then I would be lost. I would have lost all of this profit. You see, I would have lost all the profit, my friends. Okay, so you have to be very very careful, and you need not work without a stop loss. If you are working without a stop loss, you consider your profit, your capital will no longer be with you. Okay, so it is very risky. Look, friends, this option premium reached from 3 rupees to 53 rupees just within half an hour, friends. Okay, and it was about to close. It was about to become zero, but you see how fast it came to 55. This is the risk you have every time in option trading. Okay. And look, friends, when the market was here, the premium was 3 rupees for this option. Okay. And starting from here, 1240, okay, 240 until 315, you can see there is no green candle, all the red candles, and you can see the premium reached 58 rupees. Okay. So you have to be careful, friends. You may think that it's expiry. Okay, now the premium came to just 3 rupees, and surely it will get zero and you will get all the premium as an option seller, but that is not correct. Okay, this is a good reminder and a good video for everyone, for option sellers. Okay.